Please don't scroll. Let's read someone's comment. Say you have really surprised me. I never believed in black magic, but the spell you did for me worked within 2 days. She is now back into my life again. Yes, this is also someone's testimony. Maybe you were a married woman, maybe you were a married man, but your partner is not showing any sign of interest. If today is your first time watching me, I would like you to follow me. Go into my account. You see a lot of good testimonies. Yes, a lot of good testimony out of the remedy that I'm teaching. Yes, maybe you are a married man, maybe you are a married man, but your partner is not showing any sign of interest, and you want your partner to love only you and do as you say. I'm here to teach you how to do this last spell. Yes, a lot of great testimonies are coming out. I'm telling you, what you will need is this leaf. This leaf, we call this leaf magic leaf. Now, local dialect, we call it tamia leaf. Then you get 1 onion like this. Then two pieces of brooms. Yes, 2 sticks. After getting the onion, you slice it like this. No, don't slice it to it fully. Slice it like this. Then the magic leaves. You write the person's name at the top like this, and your name at the bottom, like half written the Kwaku and the Amma. Yes, Amma is doing this loud spell for Kwaku to come back. So Kwaku's name must come first. Then you, the one doing your name at the bottom. Yes, after writing the name like this, you slide the sliding onion. You open it. Then you put your magic leaf in it like this. After putting the magic leaves in it, you mention the person's name, then you say whatever thing, then you pin it. So example, maybe I'll say Kwaku, I want you to come back into I want you to love me like never before, Kwaku. From today going, I want to be the only lover in your life. Yes, I want you to love me till the end of my life. Yes, I want you to love. I want you to love me like never before. Yes, I want you to do as I say. From today going, I want you to love me, and whatever thing I say, I want you to do. Yes, then you mention the person's name again. Say whatever thing you want. Then Kwaku, I want to be the only woman in your life. Before me, there shouldn't be any other woman. Yes, I want to be the only woman in your life. After doing that, after pinning both like this, you will put this. You go and throw the whole of this in a public toilet.